We are SISTO, your trusted partner for premium diaphragm valve solutions. Across sterile process engineering, industrial applications, energy systems, and building technology. As an industry leader in high-quality diaphragm valves, actuators, and swing check valves, we offer an extensive portfolio of superior products. Our valves excel in all standard applications and effortlessly handle the most demanding media. Alongside traditional manufacturing methods, we harness groundbreaking technologies like metal 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing. Each valve is meticulously crafted and rigorously tested, ensuring unparalleled reliability, whether it's a standardized product from our stock or a bespoke solution tailored to specific needs. We blend decades of expertise with cutting-edge production techniques to exceed our customers' highest expectations. Our entire production process undergoes continuous monitoring, documentation, and certification by independent auditors. The diaphragms, the core of our fittings, are continuously refined and precision manufactured in-house. Our clients value our products for their innovative sealing system and zero-dead space design. Our unparalleled diaphragm valves set the industry benchmark. Quality is our guiding principle across all stages of manufacturing. With state-of-the-art technology and seasoned professionals, SISTO seamlessly integrates expertise, innovation, passion, and responsibility under one roof. We leverage synergies with our parent company, KSB, a global leader in pump and valve manufacturing. For a century, we've proudly manufactured in Luxembourg, at the heart of Europe.